The Brooklyn is a classic cocktail, similar to a Manhattan, but with a unique twist that adds complexity through the use of Amer Picon and Maraschino liqueur. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces. Rye whiskey. High-quality rye is recommended for best results. 3/4 of an ounce dry vermouth. Adds a dry counterpoint to the rye. 1/4 of an ounce Amer Picon, a bitter orange liqueur, often substituted with other bitters. 1/4 of an ounce Maraschino liqueur provides a touch of cherry sweetness. 1 lemon twist, used for garnish. For equipment you will need mixing glass, jigger, bar spoon, strainer, cocktail glass. Here are the instructions. Add the rye whiskey, dry vermouth, Amer Picon, and Maraschino liqueur into a mixing glass filled with ice. Stir well until the mixture is well chilled, usually around 20 to 30 seconds. Strain the mixture into a chilled cocktail glass. Garnish with a lemon twist, expressing the oils over the glass before placing it in the drink. The Brooklyn cocktail is named after the New York City borough and is considered one of the 5 borough cocktails, along with the Manhattan, Bronx, Queens, and Staten Island Ferry.